In this video, we are taking a closer look at a hydraulic subplate flow control valve. The component you see here is a SystemStak flow control valve manufactured by Vickers, designed for precise oil flow regulation in industrial hydraulic systems. This type of valve is installed between the directional control valve and the hydraulic manifold, allowing accurate speed control of a hydraulic cylinder or hydraulic motor without the need for additional piping. Flow control is applied through the A and B ports, which makes it possible to regulate the speed of the actuator in both directions. An important feature of this valve is the internal check valve, which allows free flow in one direction while controlling the flow in the opposite direction. Because of this design, the valve is ideal for controlling cylinder extension or retraction speed in hydraulic circuits. The adjustment is smooth, stable, and reliable, even under changing load conditions. The maximum operating pressure of this valve is 315 bar, making it suitable for heavy-duty industrial applications. The subplate mounting design helps reduce leakage, save installation space, and improve overall system safety and reliability. Hydraulic subplate flow control valves like this one are widely used in hydraulic presses, power units, CNC machines, and industrial automation systems, where precise speed control is required.